Happy New Year! Are you ready for another fantastic year in our property markets? We're very excited about the year ahead and we hope that you are too. But first, let's take a look back at 2015. It was fast and furious in our property markets. Conditions were tough if you were a first home buyer or an owner-occupier looking for a new home. Property investor activity was very high in the first half of the year, and there was also a lot of competition from overseas buyers, which tended to drive up sale prices. But in the second half of the year, things began to change. In June, APRA enforced their controls over property investment lending, and this reduced local investor activity. There was less competition at auctions, and the rapid rises in home values began to slow as a result, particularly in Sydney and Melbourne during the last quarter of the year. Other capital cities saw more modest movements in home values for the year, with Brisbane and Canberra showing strong gains, but Perth, Darwin, Hobart and Adelaide showing decreases in home values for the year. The last quarter of 2015 saw record numbers of auctions, but the clearance rates dropped quite significantly. This is a good indicator that conditions are now swinging back in favour of home buyers. All of this is great news if you're a first home buyer or an owner-occupier looking for a new home in 2016. You may find that there's less competition at auctions, which should give you a better chance of securing the property that you want. With many people only just returning from holidays, we can expect auction activity to be quiet for the remainder of January. However, with interest rates remaining at historical lows and further rate cuts likely during 2016, we can expect general property market activity to be busy again this year. And it looks as though there are large auction numbers on the horizon already for February and March, so there should be plenty of great opportunities for home buyers coming up very, very soon. We look forward to helping you achieve your property buying goals in 2016, so you can give us a call and we'll help you formulate your plans to get your financing in place. That's all for our property market wrap this month. I'm Michael Gurner and I'll see you again next month.